For question 3, we're looking at the Delimeters class. Make special note of these first two, private string open del and private string closed del. The class itself will tell you what the open and closed delimiters are. You don't have to solve it yourself or do anything clever. It has a constructor method. It has a public array list of string get delimiters list method. And it has a public boolean isBalanced array list of string delimiters method, both of which you'll implement. For question 3b, you're writing the method isBalanced, which returns true when the delimiters are balanced and returns false otherwise. The delimiters are balanced when both the following conditions are satisfied, otherwise they are not balanced. When traversing the array list from the first element to the last element, there is no point in which there are more closed delimiters than open delimiters at or before that point. The total number of open delimiters is equal to the total number of closed delimiters. For the code for 3b, you're writing the boolean method isBalanced that takes in an array list of strings called delimiters. You declare an open and closed variable, both 0. You loop through the delimiters, so for int I equals 0, I less than delimiters.size, I++. You declare a current string. If current dot equals open delimiter, increment the opened variable. Otherwise, it will equal the closed delimiter, so increment the closed variable. The first case where the delimiters are balanced is if you have more closed delimiters than open delimiters, so return false. Outside the loop, the second case where the delimiters are balanced is if the number of closed doesn't equal the number of open, so return false. Otherwise, they have to be balanced, so return true. I normally make videos covering Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.